The following is a product demo for eThor's modern pay-at-the-table solution for NCR Aloha. Our solution is certified over all major credit card processors and is hardware agnostic, ensuring you have ample choice when it comes to your handheld equipment decision. With pay-at-the-table, restaurants eliminate the need for multiple trips to and from the guest and the point of sale just to take a payment. It also removes the cumbersome tip-adjust process. In addition, customers can use Apple Pay or Samsung Pay and receive modern digital or printed receipts. Servers are able to simply grab a smart wireless device, head over to the table that's ready to pay, and complete fully EMV-compliant and point-to-point encrypted transactions. Our software does not impact functionality of the point-of-sale terminals while in use, and we work in parallel with EDC, so you'll always have a backup should you need it. Let me show you how it works. Here we have an Aloha point-of-sale terminal on the left and a PAX payment device on the right. On the payment device, we will log in with our Aloha employee number and see a list of open unpaid tables. Please note, only the tables with a balance due will show up on the payment device on the right. On the point-of-sale terminal, we will start table 30 and ring in a few items. Once the items are entered, we will select Done to order. Once the items are ordered, table 30 will show up in the table list on the device. When table 30 is ready to pay, we will simply select the table on the device. Here we see all the order details, including the table number, check number, and amount due. We'll select Pay and then select Credit NFC. Note that these tip percentages are configurable. We'll choose 20 and confirm the amount. At this point, the payment platform would load, allowing the customer to tap or insert their card. When complete, the customer is prompted to select a printed receipt, email receipt, text receipt, or simply no receipt. Let's choose email. After the receipt is sent, the workflow is complete and the table disappears from the device. If we log back into the point of sale and pick up table 30, we will see it has the payment applied. By default, in our demo environment, we do not have the option to auto-close the table flagged, so we will have to hit the close button to finish the table. We also have a copy of the receipt that was emailed to us. When ready, we will press close and then exit to return to the floating logo. Next, we will show how to split a payment from the device. We log back into the device and touch table 11. As before, we see the items, the table number, and the check number. This time, we choose Split. In the upper right corner, we can select Split, and the total will be evenly split in two when we select this button. We also have the ability to enter a specific split amount as needed. When we select Edit, we can manually enter a dollar amount or a percentage for this portion of the split. We can then hit Pay, and again, we choose Credit NFC. This time, we choose Other and enter in a $1 custom tip. We confirm the total and proceed as before, this time using Apple Pay. When the transaction is complete, we will then text a copy of the receipt to ourselves. After we choose the receipt option, the workflow is complete and we are brought back to the remaining amount. We select Pay and choose Cash and enter in the amount we receive. Note that if we pay more than the balance of the bill, it will tell us how much change is due back to the customer. We choose No Receipt, which completes the workflow and the table will disappear from the device. The last method is when we split the bill within Aloha. Let's log into the point of sale. Here we will pick up table 14 and split it into two checks. Once the table is split, we will see the second check show up on the device. Please note that they each have a unique check number, so when the server is paying off the bill, they can look to the table and check number. We pick up one of the checks, select Pay, and proceed with paying as normal, this time with no tip and no receipt. At any point in the day, we can choose the three lines in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and select Transactions. This will give us a list of our processed transactions. We can view individual transactions to see the details and reprint the payment receipt if needed. This concludes our pay-at-table demo. In summary, this solution will improve table turns with faster service, increase revenue and lower labor costs, modernize the payment experience for guests and staff via features like Apple Pay and digital receipts, eliminate countless trips to and from the point-of-sale terminals, increase server tips and reduce staff turnover, become EMV compliant, and take the point-of-sale out of PCI scope. Please contact us today to schedule a call with one of our product specialists.